So, hello wonderful people, it's time to watch my YouTube channel, and this is your host, Msvana for Msvanavlogs. Now for today's video, we're going to show you in the food street of Tondo. This is ugbo. So, you can see so many vendors in here that they sell the Filipino foods of the Philippines. So, we can try it also, but we are not eating so much because I don't have my stomach is small. It's not big enough to eat this kind of food. So let's go and enjoy. So it's very grounded. So you can see this is the new level 1 of the Manila. So many people eat this street food. So the price is very cheap. So this is my first time to turn this street. So you can see the street food of the Philippines. So they offer the food. It's a sisig. So and this coming. They have the shawarma. And the street food of the Philippines. So now we're going to try their menu. So we're going to try the bingo overload. It's very cheap. It's 45 pesos. You have the grande. So you can try it. So Ate will do the mango shake. That's mango shake. No, I miss to eat the mango. So this is very So you know guys, in 45 pesos you have the nice snack. This is the mango shake. So Ate already finished, so we can try it. We're walking around. Japanese food. I don't like that. So they have also the, you know, this is the ice cream roll. This ice cream roll, this is my first time to see this in personal because I see it in the Facebook. So they have the different chocolate in here. So you can request for only 99 pesos and 94. dog. It's a very big. They have the steam food, so you can see. Let's go. Different juice, different flavors. They have the fresh fruits also. You can see the teriyaki of the what do you call it? This is the teriyaki of the ugbo street, so you can see. So different flavor. This is my first time to see that. Okay. So let's go. That's it. They have the corn. Corn soup. They have the barbecue. It's a very big. Oh, this barbecue salad. So you can see. It's a barbecue salad. You know, I cannot eat that all, so I don't want to try that. Wow. There's so many. This busy street and ugbo. So I'm so amazed. This street of the tondo is the best. You can see so many food. So they offer the unlimited rice. So this is amazing place in the Philippines. This is ugbo. So this is my first time to see this place. The food is very cheap. You can see it. It's 140. You have the nice setup of the salad.
Magugulat ka. Ang dami naman ditong pricing.
So many food in the street. Oh my god. I think it's very delicious to try it, but I don't know. My stomach is very small. So, no? They have the fresh fruits, unlimited rice, Paris. My god. My eyes is already full. You can see? Dinosaur of the Philippines. So you can try. And the other country, they don't have dinosaur. So you, we can try it that, but not right now.
Ma'am, ma'am, seafood, ma'am. Para ma'am, sirahin natin diet mo, ma'am.
Shoutout, madam.
Shoutout! Ma'am, ikaw kayo, ma'am.
Hello guys, this is the unique street food of the Philippines. This is the part of the cow. So we can try it. So if you want to eat this, you need to warm it because the part of the cow is not good for your health. So this is 5 pesos only for each. So this is the sauce. This is very practical, you know. This is the bite. So it's very not heavy, very easy to carry. You can see the grill here of the food. Very good. So they offer their food for only rice, only 199. So you can see how they make it. So in this street only. So it's so many people in here just eating and enjoy life.
Yes, Master Guardian, of course,
I'm very full already. So, now we're going to eat this.